Hello team and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert and today we're gonna be unboxing the EcoXgear EcoEdge Plus. So this one, it's a waterproof Bluetooth LED lit speaker. So that means that it has lights on it. As you guys can see over here, the IP67 waterproof. That means I'll put the link in the description about the IP grades, so you guys can see how much water and how much dust or sand will actually the speaker take. You guys can see over here it has red, green, and blue potty lights. It's rugged, floats. Oh, okay, so that means that you can just throw it in the pool and it will be fine. I will give that to EcoXgear. They do have a great box design. So pretty cool, pretty informative. So you'll have all the information that you need right there in the box. So as you guys can see over here, it's a Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, has the lights, EcoTalk. So that means it will have a dedicated button to talk to your personal assistant, that being Siri or OK Google. It's a 20-watt speaker and also has the EcoConnect function. So if by any chance you get your hands on two of these, you will be able to actually pair them together and get stereo sound. So keep that in mind, right? So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and I will show you what is inside the box so you guys can actually take a look at it and see if you like what you find. Alright guys, so inside the box you will find the speaker wrapped up and this little box, which I am assuming that has all the little cables and stuff like that. So let me just unwrap this with the art of magic and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so welcome back. This is basically what you will find inside the box of the EcoEdge Plus. So first of all, you will find a speaker, right? You will find a little baggie with what it seems to be a carabiner. Oh, and you can actually put this into the 4th-inch thread of the speaker where the mount will go, right? So you can actually just hang your speaker out of your backpack. We're gonna have the most and the cutest, the smallest, as you guys can see, it's a very small user manual. You will have all the information that you need for the speaker, but there you go. And we have a neatly packed micro USB cable in order to charge the speaker. So this is basically what you guys will find inside the box. The speaker itself, I want to go ahead and say, has a metallic grill, plastic and rubber corners. Just in case if you drop it, it is shockproof, so it's not going to be a problem. On one of the corners, they have a bottle opener, just in case if you're going to crack a cold one. And on this side, okay, so on top of it, we have the buttons, which is pretty much standard, power on. EcoConnect, this one is to connect two speakers. The Bluetooth, volume up and down, track selection. This one's for the lights, which I kind of want to show you in this video. So first thing first, you're going to need to open the waterproof compartment, right? Remember to keep this one closed. If you throw it in the water and if it's not closed, your speaker might not work. So over here, you guys have a master switch. You guys have the micro USB port in order to charge the speaker and the Aux-in. So just in case if you still have an iPod lying around, you can actually just aux it in, you will still be able to play it, just in case if you don't have Bluetooth. Once that you actually power on the master switch, give me 1 second because I don't know if I actually turn it off and off. I actually turn it off. Sorry about that, guys. So close that up, turn that on.
Power on.
Okay, so you guys can actually see the speaker powering on. Has half a battery out of the box. That's pretty good. Blue light blinking, that means that Bluetooth, it's already looking to pair. And oh, here are the lights. Okay, so we get red, green. I think that mode is just for the speaker to actually when it's playing music. So we have a mode specifically for that, and then we have the going through all colors mode of the speaker. So if you get your hands of two of these, remember you can pair them together. You will be the soul of the party. And again, if you guys have any questions, I'll put all the links for EcoXgear in the description, how to get your hands on one of these. Always is recommended to check with their most direct distributors. right? So I will have all the information. Again, if you have any questions, please contact their customer service. They are pretty cool, so they will not leave you hanging if you ask them for anything. Again, this is what you will find in the inside of the box. You get the carabiner, where you can actually just attach to the speaker and hook it up to your backpack, or whenever you want to hook it up. Use your manual, cable, and speaker. Pretty much that was it. Again, a pretty solid speaker, if you want to call it that way. It's pretty light for the size of it, and considering there is waterproof, we need to go ahead and always take that in mind. Pretty good. Has a pretty great sound, I must say. I'm not gonna play it in this video because I don't want to overwhelm you with the sound, but you can take my word for it. If not, just buy one and confirm that. Again, this was your expert. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm always here to help you out, and have a great night. Happy holidays.